Hello folks, available now at Western Honda Stirling is this fantastic Honda Civic Tourer 1.8 petrol automatic Sport Nav. The car's on a 67 plate with just delivery mileage on the clock, and it's in superb polished metal colour. It comes as standard with 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels and tinted glass in the rear. The Civic Tourer is one of the most practical cars in its class, with this huge boot space which is very flat and easily accessible because of the low loading edge. It also comes with the very clever Honda Magic seats, which will fold down absolutely flat, and the bases of them will also fold up so you can carry taller objects. On top of the satellite navigation that the car comes with, you get leather stitching on the steering wheel and the seats, front and rear parking sensors, reverse camera, cruise control and Bluetooth, automatic lights and wipers, and the automatic lights come with a high beam support system, which is also part of the driver assistance safety pack, which further includes lane departure warning, forward collision warning, traffic sign recognition and a cross traffic monitor. But this is not all. This car will save you £6,704 on the price new. So hurry up and phone us to book your test drive 01786 406 200 or fill the online inquiry form and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.